Hi, I'm Christopher Martini, and I am the VP of Microsoft Strategy and Business Development Sales at VOSS Solutions. Today, the topic is about mastering Microsoft 365 with VOSS. In my previous vlog, I explored some of the challenges IT leaders face when managing Microsoft 365, from complex tenant segmentation to security vulnerabilities, operational inefficiencies, and a react approach to service management, as traditional methods aren't keeping pace with modern enterprise demands. At VOSS, we believe mastering Microsoft 365 requires more. It needs a centralized, intelligent approach to automation, visibility, and proactive control. In this blog, I'll dive into how VOSS solves the problems that keep IT leaders up at night and helps businesses take control of their Microsoft environment. And managing 365 across multiple regions, teams, and user types quickly becomes overwhelming without a single source of truth. VOSS provides a centralized management portal that offers real-time, end-to-end visibility across all tenants. This means IT teams can confidently track changes, monitor activity, and enforce policy without jumping between tools or relying on disjointed or incomplete reporting. In nearly every case, a Microsoft environment includes a lot of elements which are not Microsoft. Perhaps you are a global organization going through a multi-year, multi-phase migration and will have legacy users on other platforms throughout the transition. This is not a problem with VOSS's native multi-tenant, multi-vendor approach. Perhaps you want to look at hardware elements beyond the platform and stretch out into conference rooms or SBCs. Again, this is not a problem with the VOSS platform. Over-reliance on global admin privileges is not only risky, it's unnecessary. VOSS empowers IT teams to implement granular role-based access control, or RBAC, and local admin delegation that respects your organization's structure. This segmentation supports governance best practices while giving regional or departmental teams just the right level of access they need, nothing more, nothing less. Manual processes and repeated service requests, or MACDs, often slow your team down and invite human error. VOSS replaces complexity with intelligent workflows that automate routine tasks like user provisioning, license assignments, policy changes, and more. By removing repetitive admin work, your team can focus on strategic initiatives that deliver real value. Most IT teams rely on alerts after something breaks. VOSS flips that model with real-time monitoring and predictive analytics that detect anomalies before they escalate. With customizable thresholds and intelligent alerts, IT can resolve issues faster, improve uptime, and protect productivity across the business. Performance and experience aren't just technical concerns, they shape employee productivity. VOSS enables organizations to track, analyze, and optimize the user experience across Microsoft 365 apps and services. From Teams call quality to mailbox performance, VOSS provides the data you need to keep users happy and productive. But it's not just about collecting data, it's about turning it into decisions. VOSS Business Analytics empower IT and business leaders with dashboards and KPIs that make sense of usage trends, adoption rates, license consumption, and more. These insights drive smarter planning, stronger ROI, and strategic alignment with business goals. A customer I recently worked with was struggling with license sprawl and over-provisioning across its Microsoft 365 tenants. Using VOSS, the organization was able to delegate and manage licenses on their terms, identify underutilized and duplicate licenses to reduce license waste, and automate license assignments based on user role and geography. They could also generate real-time reports to support license optimization. This is just one example of how VOSS turns visibility and automation into real-world results. Microsoft 365 is brilliant, and we make it even better. With VOSS, your IT team will gain the tools they need to streamline operations, reduce risk, and drive better business outcomes, all from a single platform. Feel free to reach out to me to discuss how we can help optimize your Microsoft 365 platform.